Welcome back to my channel. So I have a nail art haul to share with you. I know it's been a while since I've done one. I've accumulated some purchases from AliExpress more than anything, and Amazon, and I even think I have MelodySusie in here and Dollarama, I think, as well. So I want to get it all put away soon, so I thought I better share this one with you. And I know you guys enjoy these videos, so I'm going to move everything aside and then we'll look at it all. I'm going to get right into AliExpress first. I've had this probably the longest. So you know I get my buffers off of AliExpress, and I ordered 50. This is a different store than I usually buy them from. They're all the same, but I was buying from here anyways, and so they package, it looks like 10 separately, and for some reason they threw these in too, the black ones, so that's all right. So I got some extras, so there's 50 in there. If you guys are ever looking for these are so good for applying your isopropyl alcohol or acetone. You can put in these as well, and it just squirts out there onto your wipe or whatever you happen to be using. And I like that about them. And they did come in a set of 2, and of course I love pink, so I got pink. You can also use this. I am a lash tech as well. I'm not doing lashes right now. I'm just doing nails. I'm busy enough with that and creating videos, so I haven't had time to do a lot of lashes, but I would use these also to put water in, and when you're cleaning your client's lashes, you can spray the water on that to clean them off. So yeah, anyways, I bought these more for nails, and I'm looking forward to using them. And they sent me a set of brushes, which I did not order as well. So if you buy or purchase from this store, they send you a few extra things. And this is a 5-piece square brush set. It's not a real expensive brush set, but it is good for applying colored gels or even for cleanup brushes. So yeah, nice to get. And looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 5 different sizes. Yeah, there's 5 different sizes in this one. And I will put the links for everything I purchased down in the description as always, because I get so many questions where I got it from. So I will share those links down below. So I wanted a tray to put my things that need to be disinfected and sanitized on when I'm done working with a client. So I got this one, and I just liked it because it was the gold. It's kind of that perfect size. I'll just pull it out of the bag. It's really nice. It's kind of that perfect size. I'll show you. Something that I have to disinfect. We'll just put this brush on. So that shows you kind of the size of it. But yeah, it's really nice. So I'm glad I got it. They also sent me this, which I did not order, and this is for e-file. It's a little dust brush. You guys are going to love the next thing I have to show you. So I wanted some new little palettes for doing artwork with. And this is the first one. I'm going to open it up, but these are so pretty. And of course you can see it's a heart shape. And I would say it has more gold in it, but it has some little crystals and whatnot in it. I'll open it so you can see it up close better. My goodness, it is so pretty. Look at that. On the other side, same thing. You can have it either way. See it glistening. It's so very pretty. And I got another heart, but this one's totally different. I'll open it and show you. Oh, I love this one too. So it has some dried flowers, some shell pieces in it more. And this one is silver. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. And some little gold, kind of like little circles in here. Very, very pretty. And I got one more from there. So I picked a gold star. Some more dried flowers in this one and some pretty little glitter. Very, very nice. And they aren't really big, but they'd be perfect for doing nail art with and just sticking it on your palette while you're working. I just wanted something different more for, since I am an influencer and I like to have something pretty in the background when I'm doing nails. So these are perfect for that. And you could have them just for clients as well if you're not an influencer. They're definitely a conversation piece. Now I'm going to move on to Amazon. So I wanted some more cleanup brushes, and these were classified as cleanup brushes on Amazon. What did they say? It says 2-piece nail polish cleanup brush. So it even says that. And I just needed some different ones. So we're going to look at them. I haven't even opened them yet. And of course it comes in a package of 2. So very pretty. I love the ombre of the pink and the blue. Of course, nice that they have the lid. Okay, so that's the first one. And it's that perfect thickness for doing cleanup, and it's round. You could also use this for a gel brush if you really wanted to for color, but I'm going to use it for a cleanup brush. And then the next one. Okay, so this one is more the angled brush, and that's another one that's good for cleaning up along the cuticle, or if you're doing French, it's nice for going along the smile line. So yeah, I'm going to use these mainly for cleanup brushes. So I'll show you them together. So yeah, a nice set of cleanup brushes, and I'll put the links for the Amazon products as well in the description, of course. Something else I got from Amazon that I'm really needing, and I found some on there. So I got a nail art sticker book, and I'm going to open it. I haven't even opened it yet, and we'll stick a sticker in and see how these work. Okay, so there's 2 books. So it must have came as a package of 2. I'll put the link down below for this one as well. So I'm just going to move one of the books aside. We don't need to see both of them. Open this one. Okay, so these must bend, I'm assuming. Yes, we're going to bend it. So they've got the lines right there. So you just bend it nice and gently. I don't want to wreck it. There we go. And then this sticks on here, which I think I'll stick it on because it kind of makes it look a little nicer. So let's see. Probably a backing on this. So there is a backing on it. So I'm just going to remove it. I had to get my tweezer. So I'm just going to stick it on the front. I'll stick it right here. Try and have it somewhat centered. I think that looks good there. It's not perfect, but if I wasn't doing the video, I would definitely make sure it's on there nicer. But you get the idea. It's not bad. Oh yes, and then of course the sleeves. And there's quite a few sleeves. I'll have it up on the screen after when I'm done editing exactly how many sleeves are in here and how many stickers you can put in. I'm just gonna grab a sticker. So we have this sticker from Daily Charm. And if you want to see that last video where I shared this nail art haul from Daily Charm, there's a lot of good stuff in it. It's in the top right hand corner, but we're going to try this and see how this fits in here, where I will just have to take it out of the packaging. Let me see. As you can see, it's not quite long enough. So what I'm going to do, I think this will be just a Daily Charm sticker book, and I'll keep all my Daily Charm ones in here so I know they're from Daily Charm. So I'm just going to open this up and we'll stick it in. So there it is, and yeah, like a whole bunch of pages and sleeves. So I will just make this a Daily Charm book because then I know they're from Daily Charm without the packaging, or I could just take the piece of the Daily Charm off and just stick it in there with it. Either way, then I'll know. But yeah, 2 of those books. So another thing from Amazon. Oh, yes. So these are absolutely adorable, and I needed some new ones. The ones I use, I don't really care for, so I wanted to try a different kind of tip display. So I'll just show you one that I use now. So I have this on a Daily Charm bottle, and it does swatch nicely, but these break so darn easy. So I'm hoping my new ones don't break as easy because I'm going to switch them all to these, and I'll bring one up close so you can see what these ones look like. They're so cute. So here they are. They are so darn cute. They're little butterflies. And the reason I got them, you can see on the back, it has a rounder, like it covers more. So I'm hoping that's going to hold them better on the bottles and not break. I guess I will find out. Let me know in the comments if any of you have used these before. Are they any better than the ones I just had? Let me know, but they are cute. My bottles are going to look so adorable now. And I can't remember offhand while I'm doing this video how many come in this package, but it'll be up on the screen once I edit so that you guys know how many you get in here. But as you can see, it's a whole bunch. So that was everything from Amazon. Now I'm going to show you one thing I got from Dollarama. So I thought this was so pretty. So these are full leather, but I just liked it for a background. I'm going to open it up. There's 4 in here. I wish they were a little bigger, but they might be okay for some videos. So I'm going to open it. So of course we've got it's like a champagne gold. So pretty. I think it'll be okay because when I'm doing close-ups. And then we've got, this one is a holographic background. It's kind of neat. Hopefully my camera won't pick up these backgrounds more than what I'm sharing, but usually if you're up close, I'll show you. You can still have it as a background, but that's kind of neat, the holographic silver one. And now we have another champagne one, but this one is leather, like a leather look to it. It's really pretty as well. I'll show you with this one. So my hand's there. So yeah, you can still see what's on the screen, and you got a beautiful background. And there's one more. So the first one I'll show you here first. Of course, it is it's more of a chunkier gold, champagne gold that is. But this one, the last one, is a finer champagne gold. How pretty is that one? So if you have a Dollarama near you, you can go pick these up. They had a few different colors, I think. I just really like the gold. So I have one more thing to share, and I'm going to throw that in this video because I'm not going to do a separate video on it. But you guys know I use the MelodySusie dust collector. I'll just show you it here. So this is in all my videos where I'm doing Watch Me Work videos, and this is the best dust collector. I love this. I have one in my desk. I'll show you. I'm just going to move this. So we got the Valentino dust collector down there, and I don't like it, and I paid a lot of money for it. It was over $500, and it does not at all do what this one does. So that's why I choose to use this one now. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I purchased some filters for it, and I'll show you. So you just lift this up. Here's the filter, and what happens is I remove the dust each time, and then I spray it with my preamp spray to disinfect it. I let it dry, and then it's ready for the next client. But of course, these get worn after a while and have to be replaced. So I ordered some from MelodySusie. And here they are. So if you didn't know, you can get a replacement for your dust collector, your filters. And so you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 6 in here. And when they start getting worn, there's 2 in each package. Oh, there's 2 in this one and 4 in this one. So when they get worn, they're no longer good. They're just looking too rough. You can replace them. So I needed some more, and I'll put the link. And I do have a coupon code for MelodySusie, so it'll be below this link if you do want to purchase some, or if you want to purchase the dust collector, I'll have the link for it down there as well, so you can find it. So here's everything I just shared with you. I love my purchases from AliExpress, from Amazon, from Dollarama, and from MelodySusie. All of those links will be down in the description so you can find everything, as well as any coupon codes that I may have. And watch for my next video. Hit that notification bell, because I'm going to be sharing the daily CHARME January subscription box. It's going to be a good one. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, and in the comments let me know about the swatches. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.